Good morning and welcome to Motivational Monday. I hope everybody had a great weekend and you're continuing to get up in the morning, express your gratitude, get your head, your heart, your words in the right place before you walk out the front door. Here's a good question for you. If you could look at your life 10 years from now, do you feel like you're taking the right steps and heading in the right direction to live the life that you would like to live? It's a good question to ask. And if you are moving in that direction, fantastic. Then just keep doing more of what you're doing. But if you're not, then why not take some time and focus in on how I could do better, how I could make smarter decisions, how I could line my vision up with my thoughts and begin to create this life that I want to live. And speaking of creating your thoughts and your vision, have you made a vision board? Have you ever created a vision board? Well, remember when we were in school and maybe it was career day or something and they would say, okay, we're going to give you a bunch of magazines and you cut out the photos and whatever you want to be and then you put it's all in a collage. Well, I did that not too long ago. I have made a few over the past, 20 years, but the one that I made recently, it was huge. And I put it in my closet door. So when I open up my closet to put my clothes on, so I make sure that I put it somewhere, you want to see it every day. But to see what I had cut out of the magazines and newspapers, it was completely different. I just felt passionate about, a lot of things that were in these magazines that I didn't even really know that got me going. So I want to encourage you to think about where you'd like to be. And creating a vision board is just another step that can get us along the way, get us to where we want to be. It's really fun. It takes about 30 minutes. I actually got very wrapped up in it, so I did it, in about an hour. I really enjoyed it. But when you look at those things, then you start to feel good. And then, so the emotion feels good, and you can think about that throughout your whole day. You have, that beach, that magical vacation I want to take, I love that hairstyle. Oh, I want to fit into that dress. I love that hairstyle. I want to cook like that. I want a kitchen that looks like that. Whatever it is, I want health like that. And then you just see that every day. And then in your car, in the grocery store, wherever you are, go back to your vision board. The key is to don't get wrapped up in the details. And then feel it, it feels good, and then let it go. And don't attach yourself to the outcome. Because honestly, 100% of the time, the universe is going to deliver us something even better than what we put on our vision board. Because as long as we get out of the way, and then the universe can work its magic. And the law of attraction, it all starts to flow in. But we're human beings, and sometimes, a lot of the times, we get in our own way. We're spiritual beings having a human experience, but we want to get back to being human and having that spiritual feeling at the same time. So I want to encourage you to create a vision board. And if you do, let me know. Share with me. It's really fun. And just allow yourself to enjoy the process. Even if do it with a friend, do it with a family member. But it just feels good. And that's what we want to do. We want to feel good. Because when we feel good, then we can affect everything around us. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget, expect a miracle, because we all get to have one. 10 years, 15, 20, 30, 40, whatever it is, get yourself to being the best person, the best creative being that you can be while you're on this planet. Thank you. Have a great day.